so welcome back. We have another shipment, and this is going to be something pretty sweet for the Crossfire. We've kind of been talking about it for quite some time, and it's finally here, so we can take a look at it. So, let's just get cranking this thing open and see what we have. Alright, good old cut here and a cut there. Another cut there. And we have a piece of wood. Here's our box. Nice piece of wood. It says, "Welcome to the game." Which let's see if we can get this thing out of here. There we go. Drop the shot there. Alright, so there it is. That is a serious piece of aluminum. Alright, so for reference, this thing pretty much can mount right out back here. It's going to be huge and massive. But that's just kind of what we want. So basically what we're looking at, extruded wing. This is from 9 Lives Racing. Looks pretty nice for an extrusion. It does have all kind of like the hallmarks that you expect from extrusion aluminum, but looks like it's about 1/8 inch steel or 1/8 inch aluminum. So about 1/8 of an inch. This is actually pretty nice. It's 70 inches long. So definitely look big Wingo racer style, but this should give us enough downforce for running some track days and that type of stuff. Because although I will take this thing drag racing, it's not a drag car. It's more road course, high speed, open road racing, that style of stuff. So you kind of want a little bit of downforce. Speed's not necessarily your biggest concern. Making sure you stop and turn and that type of stuff is more of a concern. So, this is pretty much just going to be the unboxing video. There is also a channel here for a gurney flap, so you can adjust more downforce up and down just by a quick little removal there. So I'm going to have to order some aluminum for making the mounts and the main mounts on the car itself, and we'll have to get them all zapped up and see what happens there. So, this will be the super quick video today of just getting the extruded Wang. So, these come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and costs. We just ordered a simple extrusion. We have no end caps, plates. We have no mounts and no gurney flaps. That's all stuff that you could buy from them if you so desire, but I know this Crossfire is going to be a custom fit everything, so no matter what we do, we'd have to modify it anyways, so may as well save a couple $100 in the process. Anyways, that's probably going to be enough for this time. It'll be a short episode, and we'll get to fitting this thing onto the car here in a few days, hopefully. Anyways, thanks for stopping by and watching. Hopefully, we'll see you again later.